Due to the pandemic, someone handing you a drink or many people opening a fridge might not be the safest thing in the world. A pretty cool invention that can be a solution to this is this German machine that hands you your selected choice of beverage. A few months ago, it was revealed the new model of the top in the class car for Mercedes, the S-Class, and well, a very impressive innovation they added is that the car now has a system that reacts to a potential side collision by literally lifting the whole car to protect the passengers. David Seroy is an artist who makes kinetic sculptures, which even though it seems like it has a motor, it's completely mechanical and the sculptures create an absolutely mesmerizing effect that one can watch for hours. Earthquakes are probably one of the most scary natural phenomena out there, which can cause serious damage to building structures. In order to protect said structures, there are things called dampeners, which this model show how they works, and it's very interesting to watch. An amazing gadget that was created is one in which an object seems to completely disappear once inserted. Putting the filler on a cake can be very time consuming, especially if you want it to be spread evenly and have to do it for hundreds or thousands of cakes. But there is an amazing cake filler robot that can do it in as little as 1.3 seconds. A weird sight to see is this sort of helicopter demo, which has a dual rotor system that looks like they are about to make contact, which kind of makes you anxious. If you ever wonder how a very hard object is broken, here is how. It is normally not advisable at all to fly drones in cluttered spaces, but some engineers at Caltech somehow designed through machine learning a way for swarms of drones to learn new environments on the go without bumping each other any other things in the room. Even though most faucets usually go unnoticed, a company named DXV came up with a sort of magical faucet which makes it seem like water is magically appearing out of nowhere. And well, the only problem I see with this is that the faucet cost $19,000. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.